Now it's going to be shooting up your nostril.
That's all right.
I'll take temperamental gear over a temperamental bike any day.
What you doing there, lad?
Trying to fix this silly GoPro.
Are they known for this?
Yes. Oh, this is one of these no-namers.
Can't necessarily blame the no-namer.
No. Let's see if that does it.
Okay, you have to go through this process of mounting a battery. Okay, ready? Okay, good. Syncing GPS. Oh, I should turn on my GPS. Oh, it's on. No internet. Well, no kidding. Connect to phone beacon. Beacon. Lost connection to Skydio. Don't want to connect to Skydio. Ready to fly. Are you ready to fly? Connecting. Oh, we're still doing the, let's make sure the GPS calibrating. Getting ready. It does take a little while to initialize. I should probably be on the bike so that it knows what it's trying to lock onto. Oh, hey, this would have been an issue. It's like, hey, why can't I look down? You want to hold that for a sec? Pulled to launch. Yeah, here I am. Hey dude, I'm over here. It's got you.
Oh, scaring me.
It'll be fine. Okay, it's following you. Hello, little fellow.
It's been a long winter and off-season. In fact, 26 weeks since our last ride together, which involved getting caught in a high-elevation snowstorm on the KTMs with tires treaded for much more genteel fare. Good times and great memories. So if we sound a bit giddy about the prospect of our return to two-wheeled nirvana, sorry, not sorry. Now it's time for a quick jump out on the dual sports Gandhi and Luther for reorientation and a shakedown of some new gear. Nothing too strenuous since we're old and have to work in the morning.
Right, we haven't ended up on our posteriors yet. All we have is technical difficulties, not even the bikes.
These trails you see here are almost literally in our backyards, on the Washington-Idaho state line, and exactly between our houses, which are 20 minutes apart.
That's a hell of a lot steeper than it looks. Yeah, I just redid mine there. I love coming through the trees.
I bet you can't tell what editing elements I've been working on here. It's not obvious at all.
Hey, look at that, the mud puddle is back. Oh, snow. Right through the worst section, right through that dip.
Just ahead is a partial washout in a dip. The sloped snow there would dump you off the edge, so not today. We're turning back.
Well, proof on that. Just waiting for my feet to come out from under me so I can end up on me duff.
Well, then again, it's just no big deal.
Doesn't really matter.
Like, yeah, whatever. Okay, well, it could be done.
You can do it, man! Yeah. Ooh. You think I should try?
Well, not as hard as you think, really.
And our reward. We have a gate.
Okay, no problem.
Right when you clench really right good, it's like, oh, okay, never mind.
So, why invest in an automated tracking drone for this video hobby within a pastime? Well, our goal is to take you, the viewer, along with us to share a part of the experience. But this places the viewer at a disadvantage. Visually, you don't get an adequate sense of perspective or of scale. Even our efforts with color correction are an incomplete rendering of what we experience when we're out in the elements. And that isn't even considering all of the senses of temperature, smell, movement, or even taste. So we compensate a bit by pushing the camera out further, with the hope that it might help give you a sense of why we enjoy doing this so much. We also ride really close together and risk some trail hazards. Ultimately, with this first attempt, I think it shows enough potential to work at for a while. Let us know what you think. Whatever flowery metaphors they throw around about the end of the road, it's like a locked gate. It just means you're about to turn around and go back the same direction you just came from. It's not that special.
Get in.
Ooh, look at the yellow flowers. Do you think they'd make a good picture?
Well, sure, if you understand exposure and how to manipulate depth of field and focal length and stuff. It's new to me. I'll work on it. If you're one of those people out there who thinks that there simply isn't enough classical music accompanying motorcycle rides on the internet, then this is for you. You're welcome.
All right, up the hill. Yeah. For me, no. Woohoo!
This concludes our ride for the day. Thank you for coming along with us. Until next time, remember to get out there and do whatever it is that scratches your itch and gives your life meaning.